Hey guys, I'm Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of the best ski jacket under $200. You'll find the links to the products in the description, and you can use the links to check the latest prices and other user reviews. Make sure to watch until the end to know our final verdict on which ski jacket under $200 is the best. Best men's ski jacket under $200. Burton Men's Ski Snowboard Covert Jacket. The Burton Men's Ski Covert Jacket is neither too tight nor too baggy, and the dry hide fabric used in its construction is highly breathable, dries up quickly, and resists water. And to ensure that you remain warm in the cold mountains, the jacket features the critically taped seams. The low-bulk thermolite insulation is made of 40% recycled material, used to trap warm air, and has a large surface area that helps boost moisture evaporation. The incorporated contour hood is helmet-compatible and comes complete with a rear single-pull adjustment. All the pockets on the jacket are zippered to protect your stuff. The jacket has also incorporated zippered microfleece hand warmer pockets and has a thermopocket that helps keep your devices warm. Pros: offers a perfect fit. The jacket is super warm. Constructed with warm pockets. Cons: the jacket is very long. Columbia Alpine Action Men's Jacket. The Columbia Alpine Action Men's Jacket has combined superior synthetic insulation and a thermal reflective lining that helps keep the wearer warm as he or she focuses on dropping a line. The jacket is versatile and has been made with features that can be customized for a specific use. For example, for mountaineering, you get the adjustable cuffs and a removable storm hood that helps keep the powder on the slope. Other important features are such as the goggle and media pockets, and the zipper closure that enables a customized fit and keeps the wearer warm. Pros: the sleeves are long and the cuffs extended for warmth. The jacket is light in weight, good quality, and stylish. Cons: problems with sizing. Wildhorn Dover Premium Men's Ski Jacket. The Wildhorn Dover Premium Men's Ski Jacket offers extreme weather protection. The incorporated hood is two-way adjustable, with full vertical and horizontal insulation. Wildhorn is helmet compatible and its ergonomic design enables a full range of vision and motion. The 100% polyester material used in its construction is waterproof, and the two-way zipper feature allows a snug fit, but with ventilation capabilities in case of too much heat. Pros: the workmanship is solid and great to touch. The jacket is thin and waterproof. The finish is of high quality because of the great attention to detail. Cons: the jacket is not true to size. Best women's ski jacket under $200. Columbia Alpine Action O Jacket Women's. The Columbia Alpine O Jacket is a warm winter coat that has combined superior synthetic insulation and a thermal reflective lining to completely shield the wearer from cold. The jacket offers a body skimming fit and will take to the body of the wearer while enabling mobility. The snapback snow skirt adjustable hem can be adjusted to offer a customized fit while keeping the cold out. The Columbian Alpine Jacket has been made with the waterproof OmniTech fabric that also offers a breathable construction and an OmniHeat thermal reflective addition that reflects the wearer's body heat to keep them warm. The jacket features a reliable pocket construction, such as the interior security pocket and the media and goggle pockets. Pros: the comfort cuffs keep the wrists warm. The jacket is waterproof, less bulky and warm. Cons: the fitting is small. Orage Mia Jacket Women's. The Orage Mia Jacket is a uniquely designed fleece ski jacket that can be worn both in the mountains and at home. The jacket is characteristic of 330G M2 insulation, which helps trap warmth while reducing bulk. The Sherpa fleece used in its construction is especially soft, making it comfortable for all-day-long wear. The fabric is stretchable, thus provides the wearer with the freedom to easily navigate the tree run, and the incorporated synthetic fabric is moisture-wicking, a good feature for high-output activities. Pros: incorporated a warm hood, good for all mountain skiing and snowboarding. Has a 1-year warranty. Cons: doesn't come in bigger sizes. Women's Mountain Snow Waterproof Ski Jacket. The Women's Mountain Snow Waterproof Ski Jacket is made of a soft lining and cotton padding to keep you warm, while the water polyester spinning fabric will ensure that you stay dry during the rainy season. The windbreaker jacket shell is made of a high-density textile, thus prevents cold wind from getting into the jacket. The jacket is additionally self-sufficient and accommodative, and comes equipped with an earphone line supporting fixture, a feature that makes the jacket suitable for snowboarding, outskirt riding, skiing, and hiking, among other snow sports. The jacket has also incorporated adjustable cuffs that come complete with a thumb hole that keeps the wearer warm. Pros: made with anti-scratch and wear-resistant material. The jacket is warm and waterproof. The windbreaker jacket is made of high-density material. Cons: the outer material is stiff and noisy. The men's jackets score massive points for workmanship, comfort, warmth, and the ability to stretch, and our top pick under this category is the Burton Men's Ski Snowboard Covert jacket. The ski jacket has been equipped with the unique low-bulk thermolite insulation, derived from recycled material, and is used to trap warm air. All the features of the jacket offer warmth, including the gadget and hand pockets. Under the women's category, our top pick is the Orage insulated fleece ski jacket that has been constructed with a 330G M2 insulation, which keeps the wearer warm while reducing bulk. The jacket is made with a super soft, comfortable Sherpa fleece that enables all-day wear. Stretch fabric has been strategically incorporated to enable flexibility while maneuvering through the trees. Which ski jacket under $200 from our list do you prefer and why? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. Also, if you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. We'll see you in the next one.